entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large and furry? That's the giant anteater. Look out for the sharp claws. They're used to dig into your land. Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed coatimundis. They're able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees.
Where?
They can leap over 9 meters from branch to branch. Do you see 2 large brown animals?
Nope.
These are Brazilian tapirs. Tapirs are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, growing up to 300 kilograms. However, it still has enemies. When chased by the cougars and jaguars, they run and plunge into the river. Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Shadow, our young jaguar. He was born in the Singapore Zoo in 2004. Shadow likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next.
There it is.
The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that pierces
See it, Jordan?
breaks a skull with its teeth.
Top predator in the jungle. Jaguar.
Highway explorers, look up and your left. On the southern flank, names turn black when they come of age. Just like the red howler monkeys, they howl loudly when they sense approaching rain.
Flamingo.
If you turn to your left, you'll spot the Peruvian flamingos. The flamingo's curved beak acts as a sieve, filtering out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. This opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70 kilograms and are the world's largest rodent.
And that's it for the amazing rainforest tour.